this is tech lifestyle expert Carly Knobloch. We are in the home stretch of holiday shopping season. So are you still searching for that perfect tech gift? Well, I have partnered with these great brands today that I think will give you the gadget guidance to help round out your list. Here's something that's really cool and trending for the home. Everybody loves a robot, especially one that cleans up after you, like the ECOVACS DEEBOT X1 OMNI. It's a vacuum and a turbocharged mop, and it always knows what surface it's on, so it won't get your carpets wet, but it will scrub your floors. It can empty its own dirty water and wash and dry its own mop heads. Plus, this model has voice control built in, so you can talk directly to your robot when you want the cleaning done. And you can find this at Amazon and Best Buy. Make sure to visit inthenews.tv for all my gift ideas and more, and I hope you have a very happy holidays.